Hello. Before we start beginning to make UI, an entire dialogue system in the UI editor, I'm kind of getting tired of... Hang on, let me show you what I mean. This. And then I have to click out here. I'm just going to have a reset button down here that will basically reset all this. I have UIController editor open, which is what this is. So basically, after that, I'm going to go var button equals new button dot click plus equals button click, and then group dot add button. Just by doing this. Oh yeah, I forgot to add button dot text equals reset. Alright. Come on. Sometimes Unity takes so long to load. Yeah. That's weird. Click on here. There's a reset button. But it's showing throw error. We're going to go visual element root. Get rid of that. And then just hit create, inspector and GUI. Inspect GUI. Save. And let's see if it works. Let's change one little thing. Discard. Reset. There we go. That was easy. I'm not entirely sure. Nate, chat model is missing. Okay. Let me just fix this real quick. I don't see anything in here that will cause this. Must be here or something. I don't know. No? Nothing is in there. Alright. That was about 5 minutes. In the next tutorial, we are going to tackle actually making a visual element editor. Okay, I'm not a big fan of the UItoolkit thing here. Image, scale, reset. Reset. Nope, looks stretched. Yeah, it looks good. Well, that was a very quick and very... So now I just have to hit the reset button.